In this tutorial, I'll show you how to copy a page to another project in Webflow. Let's get started. Open the Webflow project that contains the page or sections you want to copy. Then open the destination project in another browser tab. Since Webflow doesn't currently support copying an entire page directly between projects, select the sections or elements you want to reuse from the Navigator panel. Copy the selected element, switch to your destination project, and paste it onto the page where you want it to appear. Repeat this process for the remaining sections until you've recreated the page. If needed, update styles, assets, or class names to match the new project. Preview the page to make sure everything displays correctly. Then publish your website when you're finished. That's how to copy a page to another project in Webflow. Thanks for watching.